Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to another fabulous week of our English 101 class. Happy Valentine's Day. Hopefully, you guys are having a fantastic day. This week, we are working through the revision process. So, on Sunday, you submitted your Project 2 draft in two places. One place for instructor feedback that I can give you lots of good ideas for revision. And the second place was in the peer review folder or discussion board. For feedback from your classmates. So make sure that you have done that in both places. If you did not submit in the peer reviews before midnight last night, then the system does not automatically assign you a review. If you submitted late, even by a minute, you don't get that review assigned by the computer. So you'll need to reach out to me, send me an email, and say, hey, I got my assignment in late. Can you please assign me some reviewers so that you can get credit for the review portion of the assignment. I do need to have that email from you before the 15th if you want to complete those. So before the morning of the 15th, please send me that email. Any emails after that, I won't be able to assign the peer review. So please make sure, double check that you submitted in the peer review. And if you didn't, reach out to me and we'll try and get you assigned some reviewers. You're going to complete the reviews for your classmates on Tuesday. And then on Thursday, you're going to be writing your revision plan. So this kind of outlines your steps moving forward. How are you going to invest in the revision process? How are you going to make your writing better before you turn in that revised draft? And then you are going to be revising your project all the way up until the 22nd when you turn in that revised draft. My best advice moving forward this week is to, of course, invest in the peer reviews for your classmates, but also consider signing up for a session with our amazing writing mentor, Sydney. She's got those posted already, so please reach out, sign up for something with her if you have any questions at all about the process. Even if you don't have questions, just having another set of eyes on your document is incredibly helpful. So please sign up for some help sessions with Sydney. You will find it an excellent use of your time. I will be reading your essays and giving feedback on those before Friday. So I'll be working on those all of this week so that you can get some really meaningful tips for moving forward in your revision process. As always, reach out if you have any questions. That's where we're headed this week. I look forward to seeing how your Project 2 drafts have come together. I'm really excited to read those, and I'm excited to see how your revision process continues to evolve. If you haven't gotten your interviews done for whatever reason so far, get them done, right? Because you can't have a successful Project 2 without an interview. So please make sure that you're being proactive with that process. All right, guys, have a great Valentine's Day. Have a great week and reach out with any questions.